Hello students, welcome to the next video lesson of electric circuit. Have you ever wondered how a bulb lights up when you switch it on? That's because of something called an electric circuit. An electric circuit is a complete path through which electricity flows. It connects parts like a battery, wires, switch, and bulb. Electric current flows in a loop, just like a circular road. Let's learn about closed circuit, open circuit, and short circuit. When all parts are connected properly, the circuit becomes a closed circuit. In a closed circuits, there are no gaps. Electricity flows easily and the devices works normally. An open circuit has a break or gap, so electricity cannot flow. When the switch is off, the bulb does not glow. But what happens if the path is broken? That is called an open circuit. In an open circuit, there is a gap electricity cannot flow, so the device does not work. Sometimes electricity takes a dangerous shortcut path. This is called a short circuit. A short circuit can create sparks heat, damage to wires and devices. That is why we should always handle electricity safely. Electric circuits are everywhere around us. When you switch on a light or fan, the circuit closes and electricity flows. A battery-powered circuit lights up the torch bulb. The TV works only when electricity flows through its internal circuits. Computers use many tiny circuits inside the motherboard to work. So remember, closed circuit works, open circuit stops, short circuit is dangerous. Electricity powers our world. Thank you. See you in the next video lesson of electronic components.